So we're off here out on another trip. We're gonna head down towards Ya'an and Lushan. We're gonna do this again because I go hiking every weekend. And I've got all the kind of stuff because we're gonna have a barbecue tonight. Paper plates, ribs, some beef, salmons. I've got about 20 people waiting at the bus right now, so we're gonna head out. Let's go. I'm Jeremy Jenkin. I'm an American. I'm from Buffalo, New York. I came here in 2016 and I started finding the most interesting places to go. And I've been taking people out to these places for about 5 years now. Ugh. How's it going? So we've got a full bus here, about 20 people or so. You can see we've got our food here and a bunch of inner tubes and stuff like that. So it should be a good time. Say hi, guys. As we know in China, for any national holiday, things are very crowded. Saying, I don't know if I'm saying it correct, like Ren Hai, Ren Shan. So many people at a famous place, you know, the Panda Place, Chinchong Shan, Mei Shan. They're beautiful places and they're great to go. I want to bring people where they don't have lines. So I'm always trying to find something no one thinks of, something original. So we're here at Biluogu. It's about 3 hours from Chengdu, or about 185 kilometers. What we're gonna do in a few minutes is a slip and slide, which is why I have this inner tube. You could just get some momentum and go down the rock and slide into the water. So it's really cool for that. So here we're coming up in a few minutes to this waterfall area. It's really slippery here, so be very careful. Yeah, amazing out here, all the bamboo everywhere. It's just a huge bamboo forest. Sichuan was one of the best because you have a lot of kind of unexplored, off the beaten path places. We're almost here to the first little waterfall area. It's a little bit difficult to get through, but hopefully everyone's okay. For a few of the Chinese friends here, they're a little more cold, but it's not too bad. It would be nice if it was sunny, but you know, at least it's not raining too much or anything. So we're having a good time. It's fun. There's still a bunch of hikes pretty close to Chengdu. So like in Longchuan or near Jintang, near Luodai, there's quite a lot of nice areas. I usually go over to like Dujiangyan, like Pingla Ancient Town, Dai, Pengzhou.
Nice, so we just got up in the morning here. We're not too far from Biluogu. And yeah, we stayed at this hostel last night, which is really pretty. Really nice day here. The air's really fresh. We had a little bit of a party last night. We're about to head over to the waterfall from here. You just walk down the road about 20 minutes or so, and then you get to this really beautiful waterfall. I think it's one of the nicest in Sichuan that I've seen. So it's nice, much better trail now than it used to be. These old rocks are too slippery.
I want to show people the authentic China. You could see all around here summer fields, and they have corn that they're growing here, and tea, and all kinds of vegetables. All of the chickens are behind here, which we're going to hear in the morning, or the roosters. It's great to like be in a very natural China environment where they can experience the local culture, see beautiful things.
Hi.
Nice, so we finally got to the waterfall. What are you guys saying? Pretty nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really pretty, isn't it?
Hello,
Where are you from?
I'm from Serbia.
South Africa. I'm from the US.
Nice. How do you enjoy being in China so far?
I love exploring China. I think it's so interesting and beautiful here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chengdu.
Nice. And have you seen this place before?
No, it's amazing. It's magnificent, beautiful.
你闻闻这个新鲜的空气，和看看这个瀑布，一下你就整个人清醒了。
I really like Chengdu. I mean, they have a lot of green areas in Chengdu. Chengdu is one of the best cities. Sichuan's amazing. And everything I've learned in China, I don't want to throw this away. I want people from America or Europe or any country to come with me and see these beautiful places in China. Whoa! Woo! Fun! Awesome! Love Chengdu!
Okay,
Sichuan's great!
so great.